What's up, everybody? I had a little disaster yesterday due to my pilot error. The second time I used the Runcam, put it on the Maule M-7, and the second flight I ended up upside down in the water, and the Runcam was totally waterlogged. So I did the old bag of rice trick here, and it's been in here about, I don't know, 24 hours or so. So I'm gonna pull it out and see if it still works. So we're about to find out right now. It's either gonna work or it's not. See what happens here. You're gonna learn as soon as I do. Hopefully it still works. Make sure there's no rice in there. I don't need to bother putting that on. Let's see what happens. Will she work or will she not? Oh, it comes on. That's a positive sign. Let's see what happens if it'll shoot video. Alright. Looks like the bag of rice might have done the trick. I'm gonna check and see if it's actually recording video. And that's gonna be awesome. Unfortunately for you guys, when it was upside down in the water and turned itself off, it did not save the video clip, so I didn't have a fail video for you guys. I know you would have liked that, but it didn't happen. I was kind of upset myself. I was like, alright man, I'm actually gonna get a fail video, but nope. I'm gonna need to clean the lens because the lens was a little dirty. See video. I believe it is. Well, this date is all whack on this thing. Let's see here. Oh no, the date's right. There we go. It's this one right here. Just once. Yeah, man. Well, that's awesome. 24 hours in a bag of rice, man. I'm ready to go again. I don't have to pay another 70, 80 bucks for another one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back in action today, hopefully. Y'all take it easy.